Hello and welcome to Mydearest. How was the edit? If you'd like to create similar clean, eye-catching visuals, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open Capcut and tap on New Project. Select the video you want to edit and make sure to set it to HD quality before adding it to the timeline. This step is really important because starting with a high-resolution video gives you the best base to work with. Once your clip is in, slide through the bottom menu and tap on Adjust. This is where the real magic begins. Start by increasing the sharpening. I usually take it up to around 32. This instantly brings out the details and makes the video feel more alive. Then set clarity to around 15 or 16. It gives that subtle crispness without overdoing it. For contrast, go with about 6 to add some depth between the light and dark areas. A little saturation, around 3, can help bring out the colors. And when it comes to brightness, keep it balanced. Try 1 to 3 depending on how your original clip looks. Now let's move on to the effects section. Tap on Video Effects, slide over, and choose the Lens category. From there, select Sharpening Edges. This adds an extra layer of definition to your visuals. But don't forget to adjust it. Set Blur to 0 so we keep the image sharp. Sharpen to 10 for clean edges. Size to 43 to cover the right amount of the frame, and Filter to 20 for that soft but polished finish. These small tweaks give your footage a much more professional look without going over the top. Next, it's time to choose a filter. Go to the Filter tab, scroll to the Landscape section, and pick Green Lake. This one gives a calm, cinematic tone with a touch of coolness. It works great for outdoor or natural light footage. It brings balance and harmony to your colors without needing heavy grading. And now for the final touch. Go back to Adjust again for a bit of color correction. Slightly shift the hue toward a soft pink tone if you want that dreamy, elegant vibe. Then tweak the whites and shadows based on your clip to balance the highlights and add a bit of depth in the darker areas. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips like this. Let's keep creating magic together.